Let's jump into the Learn content first. And you can see on the left-hand side, we have a search box, and I'm going to start with that. So let's say we want to learn about net debt. If I type in net debt, I get all the information that is covering net debt. And you can see here that people have asked questions about net debt, and then we've also got video content on net debt. So if I just click video, it will show me all the video content, the questions, it will show me all the questions that have been asked. And I've also got lessons as well. So these are whole lessons that are related to debt. So I'm going to click on one of the lessons and I'm going to go to net debt fundamentals. So I can just learn about net debt. Now in Felix, individual videos are typically less than 3 minutes long. And that's because people learn in short, snappy segments. But we've collected these videos into what we call playlists. And in this case, you can see this is video number 17 of 24 in the Accounting Fundamentals playlist. Now, if I'm listening to this video, I can listen to it, but I can also speed up the playback. So I can listen to it at 2 times speed. And that's sometimes useful if I want a quick update. Some of the videos have Excel spreadsheets. If the video contains an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF file, you can also download the file, and if it's an Excel file, you can download both the empty file, the unfilled out file, and the full file, which is the completed answer. So you can work alongside the video. In addition, if I go all the way to the bottom of the playlist, for most playlists, there is a little quiz, and that will test your knowledge and check that you actually understand the underlying content. Underneath each video, we really encourage people to ask questions. And you can ask a question down here, either in the web form, or if you're restricted, you can also submit your question via email too. Not all content is just video. If I come back to the search box and I type income statement, you can see that we've got a case study on the income statement. This initially looks like a video, but when I press play, it actually starts to ask me some questions. So I'm going to click to start. And in the first slide, it's asking me to do some analysis. I can see an income statement here. And once I've completed that analysis, I click done, and it will go through some of the explanation and some of the answers. And then next, it's going to ask me a question. So I can interact with the video and I can answer the question and submit it, and it will tell me whether I've got it correct. So Felix doesn't just have one-way learning content, it has interactive learning content as well.